Hey guys, JB here. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. Now before ECQ, I actually got to visit the folks over at Hisense in their office to check out one of their latest products. I'm talking about their laser TV that I first heard about at CES earlier this year. And guys, I got to test drive it for a couple of hours, so I'm here to share my experience with you in this video. But before I begin, I just want to wish you guys well. I hope you're all doing okay. Remember to stay vigilant, guys. Wash your hands, disinfect your gadgets, and of course, stay home if you can. Okay, so first things first, guys. The Hisense Laser TV isn't your traditional TV. It's actually an ultra short throw projector that gives you an image of 100 inches at 4K resolution. The whole setup is composed of the laser TV console, an ambient light rejecting screen, and a wireless subwoofer, but we'll talk about the speaker setup a little bit later. It sits really close to the wall, 8 inches to be exact, so even though the main unit is a bit of a big boy, you can still get a really clean setup. Speaking of which, guys, I really didn't get to see the setup process, but the folks over at Hisense say it's incredibly easy. Just place the laser TV console on the table, hang the screen, and calibrate to align both items. Now, no worries though, they will set up everything for you if you decide to purchase the Hisense Laser TV. Now, as I said earlier, the projector itself is big and kind of reminds me of my grandpa's old school sound setup, but it is far from being old school. The Laser TV features a unique laser light projector technology called X-Fusion. It provides great picture quality and color reproduction thanks to dual color lasers in red and blue. So your traditional projectors that use bulbs really pale in comparison. Honestly, guys, I thought the image looked great. We were able to test out some games on the PS4 Pro using the Hisense Laser TV, and I really wish that we could have borrowed it for a longer duration. It's also a smart TV, so you can watch your favorite YouTubers, hopefully we're one of them, or you can binge watch Netflix shows and see your favorite K-dramas become larger than life with a few presses of their remote, which has all the apps laid out for easy access. Now, just in case you're wondering, yes, you have all the standard inputs and outputs on the back. You're getting a total of 4 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, an Ethernet port, and a couple of I/O ports for audio, and since it is a TV, an RF antenna. Now, I already mentioned that the setup includes a subwoofer, but you're also getting a speaker array up in front as well. Hisense worked with the guys over at Harman Kardon, so you're getting a great audio experience to go along with fantastic picture quality. Now, granted, we did test out the Hisense Laser TV in their mini cinema setup, but it gets plenty loud, and I said the audio quality is superb. Now, one thing I haven't mentioned yet until this point of the video is the price for the 100-inch Hisense Laser TV, which is 745,000 pesos. So it's definitely on the pricey end and maybe not going to be on the radar for most of us right now. So who do I think this is for, aside from the people who can actually afford this luxury? Honestly, guys, I think this would be something perfect in a sports bar or other event spaces that can use it to enhance the experience of customers, and of course, make a little bit of that money back because it is a hefty investment. Now, the reason why I think it's perfect for that is because it does better than your standard projectors in terms of picture quality because of the tech they use, plus it's 4K and supports HDR, but they also have MEMC, or motion enhancement, motion compensation, making it ideal for watching sports so you feel like you're closer to the action or that you're actually there. Aside from that, guys, they do throw in that 100-inch ambient light rejection screen, so if you want to watch a boxing match or the NBA finals when sporting events go live once again, they're usually in the morning, so you won't have to worry about that sunlight because, as the name suggests, it does reject ambient light, plus the console gets really bright as well. Smaller spaces won't even have to invest in a sound system because the whole setup should be enough, but if you do have a bigger venue, then it's easy enough to hook up for a more immersive experience. So yeah, guys, this is definitely not going to be for everybody. I mean, as much as I would like one, I don't think it would work in my apartment because of its size. But if this is something that can help you make money or increase the value of your business, or heck, if you just want to build a sweet home cinema setup, then this is definitely something to consider. Again guys, the 100-inch Hisense laser TV is priced at 745,000 pesos, and if you do buy it, they will deliver it right to your doorstep and help you set it up. No word on its exact availability just yet, but it will definitely be after ECQ has been lifted. So that's pretty much it guys. Thank you for spending a couple of minutes with me. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie, peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe guys.